Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you want to grow your YouTube channel using AI Shorts video, so this video for you. This is my YouTube analytics and Shorts section. I will show you the real data that I got from AI Shorts video, and I will show you how you can create AI short video and finally upload into your YouTube channel, and it's completely free. So if you are a new YouTuber and if you want to grow your YouTube channel fast, so shorts video is the greatest way you can get more views and attention, and then you can create long format videos. Here you can see August 7 I just got 477 views from a videos. It's called 7 AI tools for epic YouTube videos. So I'm going to open the analytics of this video. Alright, so this shorts has gotten 479 videos since it was published, and right now here you can see last 48 hours I got 61. So it's not bad as a new YouTuber, because I just created this video completely free. Within a few seconds, just video uploaded into my YouTube channel. So it's very easy. Okay guys, so 479 right now, and let's check the top traffic sources. Shorts feeds 96% 7, and YouTube starts 1.6%. It's amazing guys. It's a very simple video and got a few views, and also we are getting YouTube search results. Other YouTube features also direct on unknown, and this is the key moment for audience retention, which is really important. So for a new YouTuber, you don't have to worry about this. Just create the videos and upload and get views. I will show you the exact way how I create this video, create the similar videos. And the another video 319 views, IoT price prediction 2024 revealed. I am just checking my analytics and I just get some information. The point, you have to understand your analytics. Okay, you have to analyze your views. That's mean this video got me highest views, so that I have to create another similar videos. Okay, so this is how you can grow your views and you can grow your subscribers and others. Okay, so I'm going to reveal the AI tools that I use to produce this kind of videos. Okay, so let's go back to Google and search vid.io. Alright, so this is the dashboard of vid.io. It's a AI tools, but we're just going to produce AI text to video. Okay, so you don't have any account, just create your account using your Gmail address. It's pretty simple, and I have created so many videos using vid.io. It's amazing and it's completely free. Okay, so let's click on AI text to video, and this is the option where you have to write your topic. Okay, so as we know, we have to create the similar content or similar videos. Okay, that's mean the topic, we already know that. Alright guys, I just wrote it here, 7 AI tools for short video creation. Create a details video and then create on generate video. So we don't have to worry about this, because this AI will preparing your video, writing a script, recording voiceover, background music, and finding the stock media and footages. So this is the easiest way you can generate shorts video. Okay, so already 37% or 39%. It's really fast done. So I will show you the final result. Also, I will show you how we can upload into your YouTube channel with your preferred title, hashtags, and the tags also. Okay. All right. Top 7 AI tools for epic videos. So let's open in editor. All right. So finally our video is ready. This is the final video, 29 seconds. Okay. So let's click on here, and you will find the other option like TikTok or YouTube Shorts. So let's click on YouTube Shorts. Okay. Perfect. But before downloading, we don't need the music. Okay, so because you will got a copyright strike or copyright. Okay, so it's subtitle, also text to speech, and the images. That's mean the background images and videos over there. All right, so you don't worry about editing. So if you don't know how to edit, don't worry, just use these tools. Okay, so let's download this. So click on done section and enable the burn subtitle. That's mean the auto captions, and click on export video. So click on download and click on MP4. Alright, so our video is downloading. Alright, so let's go back to our YouTube channel, and finally it's done, and I will show you how you can upload. Alright, so let's click on create and click on upload video, and then select file. Alright guys, so our video is uploading. Alright guys, so it's checking now. That's mean if you got any copyright or guideline strike. Alright, so this is the title, top 7 AI tools for epic videos. Alright, and I will add some hashtags and altered content. That's mean is it AI generated? 100% yes. Alright, so, and tag section, which is really important. So I'm going to copy the title, that's main epic videos. Okay, and just paste it here as a text, and then I will click on here, and you will find the suggested tags over there. It's a vidIQ tools, which is gonna help you to find the other tags also there. So text to video, chat GPT. Okay, so this is not for the chat GPT all about. So I'm going to click on text to video again, and I'm going to select Best AI Creator. So this is how you can generate the tag section and add related video, which is the greatest way you can promote your other videos as well, long format video definitely. And click on next, and everything is done. That's mean okay. So select on unlist, because I will show you is there anything restriction or not. Here you can see restriction none, and right now I'm going to publish it. Okay, so let's click on here and public and publish.
Creating short videos has never been easier with these 7 AI tools. From snappy edits to stunning effects, these tools pack a punch. With features like automated editing, text-to-speech, and customizable templates, your creativity knows no bounds. Say goodbye to hours of editing and hello to seamless video creation. Let's dive in and explore the world of AI-powered video tools. Creating short videos has never been easier with these 7 AI tools. From snappy edits to stunning effects, these tools pack a punch. With features like automated editing, text-to-speech, and customizable templates, your creativity knows no bounds. Say goodbye.
Alright guys, so I think finally you love this. Okay, so if you have any queries, please comment below, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So I will come back with another new tutorial. So stay tuned, have a good day, and bye bye.